Happy Tuesday, first graders. Today is May 5th, 2020. Let's go ahead and start our day with the kindness pledge. I pledge to myself on this very day to try to be kind in every way. To every person, big or small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best that I can do. Friends, today, as you're starting to do your e-learning, in today's slides, you are going to see a link that you will use for signing up for a presentation time. You are going to be teaching me all about your rainforest animal that you have been researching, that you have been making that you wrote your paper about, and this week that you're making a Google slide document all about. And you're going to be teaching me all about that animal, all these sign-up times here that you can pick from. You're going to have 15 minutes to teach me everything that you want to teach me about your animal. And I cannot wait till our presentations start. These begin next week on May the 14th. So if your family hasn't signed up for a presentation time, be sure to do that today. First graders, I hope that you make today a wonderful day. I can't wait to Zoom with you tomorrow. We're going to have a whole class Zoom tomorrow, and we're going to be doing a really fun rainforest activity together. So I hope that you'll join in on that. Let's make it a fantastic day.